How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the Siberian hitch. Also a knot you can tie with big mitts on in the winter, so let's get into it. The Siberian hitch is really not that complicated of a knot. It's going to start by going around our hitch object. We're going to take our hand and we're just going to cross the rope over just like that, okay? Something like that, all right, because you can do this with mitts on. You're going to come around both just like this, make a little bite, all right? And then we're going to take that bite and replace it with where our hand was. So we're going to put that bite in with the hand. And then to tighten this, we're not going to pull on this main end here. We're going to pull on this standing end right here, just like this. That's going to tighten that up. It's going to look like a figure 8 knot. And then that's going to hold that bite down here. So we're going to tighten like that. All right, and then we're going to tighten against our object by just pulling. And what you'll see is that this hitch right here is going to tighten up around this bite. So this is going to start to go like this and like this, okay? Just like that, as you can see. So it's not letting go there because it's putting pressure on this hitch right here that's around this working end and this bite. Obviously, you're going to want to make this tag end a lot longer, a foot or two, but just for the demonstration to keep it in frame here, we made it small. And then yeah, so you can just pull against your object. And then to let go, obviously, because it is a quick release nature with that bite and the hitch, you're just going to pull here, okay? And then your knot's going to come undone just like that. So that was the Siberian hitch. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.